Hey, you at Jones on Fire. This is Bare Necessity Live. Alex Irby Decision Day. You better know it, baby. If you're looking for the drip, come get it right here. Right here. Linglestown Road, baby. Let's go.
Jones on Fire shirt. Jeans from Gates. Thanks. Jordan 1. Fearless.
North Face sweatshirt, Patagonia, whatever these are, Zion ones.
You love those, don't you?
I love them.
They kind of go with everything.
I know. Have I worn these before during a fit check?
No, you haven't.
Woo!
No.
Woo!
Oh, that's a giveaway.
So what's up? What's up? It's your boy Gabe here with another unreleased sneaker, Jordan 5 Midnight Navy. I love this color, man. I love it. I'm not a big fan of 5, but I love 5. So I think I love them. I love them. I love this blue color for sure.
Are you wearing the tie or no?
Yeah,
the lock,
I do.
The lace lock?
I do. Well, I wearing all my Jordans 5. So yeah, I don't remove that. That's something to keep it on the shoe. It's make them special.
Wearing the
Lace lock? Oh yeah. Always gotta keep the lace lock on the 5s.
Every pair?
Every pair. I don't have any pairs of 5s, but if I did, lace lock on.
The other one, you guys know about Jordan 4 Maniers, Jordan 1 Maniers, Jordan 3. But then I think that's a huge pair. Can I say? Cool pair. It can be one of my favorite. It can be. And if you guys see the details they have, it's gorgeous. They have little details, make them gorgeous. So yeah, guys, you can see we got a couple of pair of the unreleased Amas 5 just here. Jones on Fire. Same with the Midnight Navy's 5. Just here, unreleased. Jones on Fire.
What's the website?
Our website is www.johnsonfire.com. You guys can see what we got in there. Everything. By size, by style, everything. This, but
The
vintage, yeah, the vintage outsole is what it called, outsole.
Yeah.
It's good. I mean, it looks pretty.
I think
vintage,
it's a
vintage.
Nice it's a nice change.
Yep.
Right? Good for the ladies.
It can be good for ladies, of course. Yeah, vintage outsole, I like it. Personally, I do. And you guys know, Essentials is one of the famous brands. And we got them now for kids. Kid sizes, Essentials for kids. Just here, Jones on Fire. Personally, my favorite pair of New Balance, or let's say the models.
997. That's my favorite.
997, 990. So this one is the same. This one is 990. And I can say that 2002 is my favorite.
What are these? I've never seen these before. Have you?
No, they were here, and they are used.
Yeah.
It looks so new.
What?
Of White 5 here with my where's Frappuccino? Where's my Frappuccino?
That customer.
Wow, dude, you make me remind
Gabe's like, hey, I'll show you. Blah, blah, blah. The guy's like, what?
what?
And I try, after like the third what, I kind of walk over to Malaman. He's playing it with me. So when he left, he said something like, and I'm like, what?
The wife came back and said,
Oh, yeah, thanks,
he
Mom.
said, oh, I said, what?
What? ¿Qué pasa?
Gang signs. Throwing up gang signs. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. Better than Vito.
Get a picture. Slow motion.
Where's my frappuccino? Where's my santucci?
That's not your voice. Do the real voice.
Where's my frappuccino?
Oh, there.
Where's
No, your white boy frappuccino.
with no bad word?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Yeah.
Be yourself.
Where's my frappuccino? Where's my frappuccino? Where are you guys?
All right, how you doing?
Welcome,
How you doing? All right, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Brian.
Chuck, nice to meet you.
Ready for GQ?
He's gonna go to Navy.
Navy,
I don't know.
That's what I think.
Yeah, I think he's going to Navy, but I'm not really sure. He just looks like a naval man. Looks like a
Did you
seaman.
say Navy, Maryland, Ohio,
Navy, Maryland, or Minnesota.
Minnesota? I think he will go.
But I think he's going to be a seaman.
How you say semen in Spanish?
Yeah, how do you say seaman in Spanish?
What that means?
Sperm.
Esperma.
How do you say it? Sperma. Oh, that's not even.
Same with the A at the end.
Lots of heads turning out. Lots of heads. You love it.
Such a terrific high school career, and it's not even done yet, unfinished business. But Alex, before you get there, you have to make this college commitment. The floor is yours.
First and foremost, I want to thank God for making this all possible. Without further ado, for the next 4 years, I would take my talents to United States Naval Academy.
Alex is officially headed to the Naval Academy. How excited.
Punch it like this.
Right in there.
You got a game on Saturday. Right.
You gotta get the chicken bacon ranch part in there.
Oh, I get the ranch in there too. Favorite, best pizza out.
Fire?
On a scale of 1 through 10, 1,000.
1,000.
1,000.
Man said 1,000.
Broke the scale.
That's better than Gabe. Glad to be a part of what you're doing.
That's what's up, baby. Hey, Jones on fire. Where you
Check
at?
us out. 2302 Linglestown Rd Harrisburg, next to the Big Giant.
That's right. And all the drip you can.
We got it all. That thing bounced. Did you get that on? You cannot. You are not permitted to use that. I need to see that because my big fat belly bounced that ball off like a champ. That is grounds for taking your trophy rooms back.
Plan was so that y'all know, camera world. We thought he was going to Maryland, but he didn't go to Maryland. So we had I had a Terps hat made for him, and then, you know, for what's his name over here?
Messiah Mickens?
No. This is Trinity.
I thought isn't that where Messiah goes or not?
I think so. Yeah.
The running back.
Oh,
Running back. Yeah.
He's one of your ambassadors, right?
Yeah,
He
you
is,
go to
yeah.
Penn State. Well, you give it to him. Come on,
Okay,
give it to him.
cool, I will.
Yeah, come
All
on,
right,
give it to
cool.
him. Yeah, appreciate it. Like I said, we'll reach out
No
to
doubt,
you.
man. Slow
Hey,
down.
have a
No
safe
doubt.
ride home,
You
my
too,
man.
man.
Be
No
good,
doubt,
be
man.
good.
I'll see you around, man. Peace.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all. Crazy day here today. Alex Irby picked Navy, the Naval Academy. If you're an athlete, you're a brand ambassador, you want to get involved with John's on Fire, send us an Instagram message or call the store, and we'll get back to you. Appreciate y'all, and you can see John's on Fire at Dallas Eagles game Sunday. Go Cowboys.